Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, did you know the latest SLG of Louis Vuitton that you could get this in this size? Yes guys, you are hearing me correctly. So if you want to find out the latest SLG of LV, I will be providing all the features, prices, where to order, and all of the good stuff in today's episode. That is why guys, please make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so I'm sure everyone is pretty familiar what this bag slash SLG here. So what I have here is the ever famous Toiletry Pouch 26. So this has been discontinued by LV last year. So before they got discontinued, this comes in 3 different sizes. So 26, 20, and 15. Hopefully I'm getting that correctly. If I'm not, please correct me on the comment section below. So what we are going to discuss is they are going to add another version, another mini version of the toiletry pouch here, because I'm pretty sure LV knows how much we love our Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26, because after this one they have released the toiletry pouch on chain, which is a lot more expensive, and it comes with the toiletry pouch 15. And of course you can check on the men's section wherein they still have the Pochette Voyage. The Pochette Voyage, it's the exactly same thing, it's the same size. The only difference is the leather sides here are leather, and it has card slots on inside of the bag. We're in with the original Toiletry Pouch 26, it's just the wipeable interior. So again, LV knows what their customers love. They know how much everyone loves the toiletry pouch family, where they even created the Kuzan bag because they know how much we love to transform this bag. So guys, if you want to know everything wherein you can get this very beautiful SLG slash bag into this very cute tiny size, please stay tuned. Alright, so let us discuss first this brand new SLG from Louis Vuitton. So actually guys, this is an SLG from the men's section, and the official name is Key Pouch Voyage. The price is only 485 USD at us.louisvuitton.com, and currently right now it is available to order because you can place it in cart. So the date that I'm filming this today is October 5th. Once this video goes live, kindly check with your CAs or check the online stores and order yours right away. So let us discuss first the product details. So the Key Pouch Voyage, the main material of this one is the monogram Eclipse canvas with cowhide leather trims. The zip closure means, I'm just reading guys on LV, so the zip closure means it can also be used as to carry coins, folded bills, and cards in addition to keys. This pouch also can be hooked into a D-ring inside most Louis Vuitton bags. Now let us check first how the Key Pouch Voyage looks. So as we could see here guys, it looks exactly like the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. So as mentioned earlier, with the men's section, the Toiletry Pouch 26 is almost the same look as the Pochette Voyage. So this is the men's version. So with the men's version, what we are seeing here, so it's a miniature size. So later we are going to do a side-by-side comparison between the Key Pouch Voyage and the original Key Cles. So as I can see here, the main material is the Eclipse monogram canvas, and it has cowhide leather trims and the silver hardware, silver D-ring, silver zipper. And as you can see guys, it is the exact version of this one, only in a miniature size. So if you can imagine, so this size, and that would fit like this, how cute that SLG would be. So now let us do a side-by-side comparison, comparing it to the Key Cles over here. So again, I'm looking on my notes here. So the Key Pouch Voyage, the length of that one is 4.7. The Key Cles length is 4.7 inches. And then for the Key Pouch Voyage, the height is 3 inches. So the Key Pouch Voyage is a little bit higher because with the original Key Cles, the height of this one is only 2.8 inches. And then of course the length of the original Key Cles. So as you can see here, this is a little bit slimmer. So it's only 0.4 inches. Whilst the Key Pouch Voyage, the length of that one is a little bit thicker, is 1.2 inches. And the reason for that one, because with the original design over here, as you can see with the toiletry pouch, so this is a little bit thicker compared to the original Key Pouch over here. So what does it mean? So the size of the Key Pouch Voyage, it's exactly the same as this one. So length, height, the height of the Key Pouch Voyage is a little bit higher. And then of course the depth. So the depth of the Key Pouch Voyage is definitely thicker with this one. So it means you could fit a lot more, because with the original Key Cles, so this one, I actually use this to carry my bills and cards, multiple cards, and it would be perfect for me. You could also carry this as a catch-all for your lipstick, lip gloss. So I believe with the Key Pouch Voyage, since the depth of that one is 1.2 inches, so definitely you could fit so much more. So again, the Key Pouch Voyage has a cowhide leather trim. So the lining is textile. It has palladium color hardware, zip closure, keyring, chain with hook. So it's exactly like this, exactly the same detail as the original Key Cles over here, but this look like this. Alright, so what are my thoughts and recommendation with the new SLG Key Pouch Voyage? Honestly guys, I wasn't expecting this SLG, so I was just browsing through Instagram and I've seen one of the LVCAs posted it, and honestly my reaction was my jaw dropped instantly because how cute that is. Because again, the Toiletry Pouch 26, I already love mine, and having a smaller version, the same size as this one, how cute that would be. I think the only downfall of that one would be the price, because the Key Pouch's price at LouisVuitton.com is only $325 USD before tax. Unfortunately, the Key Pouch Voyage currently is priced at $485 USD before tax. So that's almost $500 with tax included, I feel. So, do I feel that the price is okay used as an SLG? So, I think the good side of that one, maybe the reason why it's a little bit more expensive, is because it's a little bit thicker. So, meaning you could put a lot more compared to this one. You could even use it as an actual compact wallet, because this one, I think it is only limited to how many cards. For me, like for example, if I'm using this, I would be comfortable using 4 cards, because if I would be maxing out all the cards here, I would be having a difficult time pulling them out one by one, because as you can see here, it doesn't have any compartment, so you would have difficulty pulling the entire, like for example, if 8 cards would fit in, so you are going to break everything out and then you're going to check one by one. So same thing with the Key Pouch Voyage, but since that is a little bit thicker, so as mentioned here, I am comfortable using maximum 4 cards over here that I won't have any difficulties using. So I would be able to max it, maybe also include bills, lipstick. So I feel if you are really an SLG collector, then definitely it would be a good recommendation to get your hands on a Key Pouch Voyage. Plus, for example, unfortunately for me, the monogram canvas that I'm collecting is the classic monogram. So I don't have the monogram Eclipse yet. But if, for example, given a chance, the monogram Eclipse bags that I'm currently lasting would be, of course, the Key Pouch 25 and, of course, the Pochette Voyage in men's version. Sometimes they would be releasing that in a capsule collection or maybe like a huge collection like the Yayoi Kusama. So if given a chance, maybe in the future, if deciding to collect the Eclipse monogram canvas, then I would love to also get the Key Pouch Voyage and add it to my collection. Also guys, I would like to add, I am imagining how I would be using it aside from SLG. So if for example, I would be carrying my Toiletry Pouch 26, so normally I would be converting this so I could carry this as either a shoulder bag or as a crossbody, but mostly crossbody. So of course, with the Key Pouch Voyage, I would be transforming that and I would be using it like double bag style. So I'll be using this and then I would be carrying the Pochette Voyage shorter chain strap, and how cute that would be, right? So of course it would be cuter if for example you have the men's version in the monogram Eclipse, so you would have a mommy and baby bag situation, because as we know that is such a huge trend right now. carrying the mommy bag, and of course, carrying the miniature version. There, did you enjoy this episode for today? Did you learn something new? Actually, this is something new. I feel everyone is not familiar yet with the Key POUCH Voyage. So again, once this vlog goes live, I would recommend you check louisvuitton.com right now and order yours right away, because the price right now, $485, I think it's better compared to if, for example, you are going to purchase a mini pochette accessoire, which for me is a lot more expensive, and I feel they are going to function as a catch-all, pretty much the same, and you could carry both as a micro bag charm as well. So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!